Hey everybody, welcome back. It is your Natural Nail Guru, and today we're doing a product review for an e-file. So last year sometime, I know I've been sitting on it for months, but last year was a crazy year with everything happening. But last year sometime, I received this e-file from Babe Nail. Now this is a handheld e-file. You can find it on Amazon. It's only like 15 bucks, super cheap. And after my last experience with a Facebook ad, I'm definitely curious to see how this one's gonna perform, being half the price of the last one that I tried that was a complete bust. But Babe Nail, we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing, see what's inside of here, and put it to the test to see whether or not this $15 e-file is going to give you the juice that you need. So let's not waste any more time. So we are on this road of trying out e-files. I personally don't use them, but I'm trying them out because they're super handheld, easy, accessible, cheap, and I would love a little help filing down the overlay that I do every single day because a girl's hand needs some rest. So this was actually sent to me, and I'm super embarrassed because this was sent to me literally months ago, but with me moving the shop and stuff, it was kind of lost in the translation of everything. This is from Babe Nail. It is a super cute rose gold handheld. It has basic drill bits for nail care and the basic ones for the sanding. Let's open up here. Oh, I got a nice little Buki brush for the dust, I'm sure. Although this is really not sanitary to be using between clients, just letting you know. But personal use is cool. I got a bunch of these little thingies. I have what looks like a nice long cable. I'm a stickler for a super short cable. And I guess this is the remote control. Yeah, speed control on and off. All right, let's put this thing to the test. Let's plug this in. Let's open this puppy up. They look like nice sanding blocks. All right, nice little snug fit. Basic insert. Okay, so here we have it all set up. Now before we try, what I'm looking for is just overall, I guess, handling, comfort, and really power on such a small handheld little e-drill. Definitely looking for power to help bring down thick product, especially if you're doing like acrylic or something. In this case, we are just thinning out some structured gel overlay, which is a thicker gel, but it's soak off. So it's not as hard as acrylic, but let's check out the power. Now let's come over here and, oh, a little vibration action. Oh, okay, down. Oh, there you go, you hear that RPM. Now this doesn't have a direction, it literally just goes one direction. So I guess if you're left-handed or right-handed, I don't know if that would make a difference for you, probably will, but just something, yeah, like see, I need to go upwards.
There's a little switch there though.
Let me see, hold on. Oh, you can. All right, so you can change the direction in which it drills. Center is off, and then down or up is one way or the other. All right, well, it has good power. I could feel it. How does it feel on your nail plate? A little hot. That's my fault, probably. Oh. It definitely has good power. Well, this one's a little bit thicker than the others. When I just go over like that, do you feel the heat right away or only if I'm on it for a moment?
It's only when you stay.
Okay. Well, wow, let me tell you, for someone who doesn't use e-files, it's actually been a while since I've handled one. I'm just now starting to test these out because, again, I need something to help me out with thinning the overlay because doing it by hand is rough. But this grit is definitely a little bit too rough. I probably should have gone one with a little bit less. This definitely has power. I felt, again, I haven't been using one for a while, so my maneuverability after a couple times will definitely get much easier and smoother. But I felt like it really had power, it was easily manageable. The only downside, and I have to see whether or not this is something that can get charged, so I'll take a look at that. The only downside is just having this cable, because you have a little bit of that weight, and if it's like hanging over the edge of the table, it can get, this part right here will kind of get caught on the table, and it can be a little bit of a pain if you're using it working at a table or with things like that close. But overall, I felt really, really nice using it, and the power definitely felt really great. Really nice. Okay, so I'm really, really happy to say that this $15 nail file is actually pretty good. It's super lightweight, handheld, pretty easy to use, definitely had power. The products and the materials that it came with were really great. And I mean, it's only 15 bucks, accessible on Amazon. So I will definitely make sure to put the link down below. Overall, I really don't think there's anything more I could have asked of this e-file. I think it's just really comfortable, really great. It's 15 bucks. So if anyone out there needs an e-file that, you know, works, but they don't want to spend all this money on it, dude, Babe Nail e-file is 100% like right there with it. And actually on Amazon, they have a 4.5 star review with like, let me check, hold on. Alrighty, so it actually has over 4,000 reviews at a 4.5. So the reviews are 100% legit. It's really awesome, $14.99. You have free returns, which is amazing, because as you know, my Facebook ad, there were no returns, so I was out $35. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So 100% totally worth it, only 15 bucks. I know I've gotten some comments of people that are kind of new and they're trying to look for something that they can use or something for themselves, but they don't want to spend that much money. So I 100% can tell you, and you guys can see that the Babe Nail is totally worth it, 15 bucks. So definitely check it out. I'll be putting the link down below. And as always, if you want to be up to date with nail product reviews, all the information that's going to help improve the health of your natural nails and getting, of course, the longest lasting gel manicures, then you guys know what to do. Make sure that you're liking and subscribing if you haven't already, and share it, because any nail enthusiast, whether professional or DIY, the information is definitely going to help you out. So thank you so much, everyone, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.